Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to solve Cambridge International AS Mathematics Paper 1, Pure Mathematics 1, 9709/13, October-November 2020. The first question is, express x square plus 6x plus 5 in the form x plus a the whole square plus b, where a and b are constant. This is the completing the square format. So what's the coefficient of x? It is here 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So write x plus 3 the whole square. Okay. Subtract 3 square. And 5 is there. So plus 5. X plus 3 the whole square minus 9 plus 5 gives negative 4. Okay. The next part of the question is the curve with the equation y is equal to x square is transformed to the curve with equation y is equal to x square plus 6x plus 5. Describe fully the transformation involved. So the curve with the equation y is equal to x square transformed into y is equal to x square plus 6x plus 5, which is nothing but this one, x plus 3 the whole square minus 5 minus 4. So here we have two translations here and here. The first one is a translation of negative 3 units in x direction. The next one is translation of negative 4 units in y direction. The next question is the function f is defined by f of x equal to 2 divided by x plus 2 the whole square for x greater than negative 2. Find integral 1 to infinity of f of x dx. 1 to infinity of f of x dx is nothing but 1 to infinity f of x is 2 divided by x plus 2 the whole square dx. Okay, so we can write this as 2 integral 1 to infinity of x plus 2 the whole power negative 2 multiplied by dx. Let's integrate this one. X plus 2, increase the power by 1. So negative 2 plus 1 gives negative 1 divided by the new power, that is negative 1. And the limit is 1 to infinity. Let's rewrite this one as 1 negative 1 divided by x plus 2. 2 times negative 1 over infinity plus 2 gives infinity, minus of minus, it will give 1 divided by 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, 1 divided by infinity is 0. So 2 times 0 plus 1 over 3 gives 2 over 3. Okay. The next part of the question is the equation of the curve is such that dy by dx equal to f of x. It is given that the point negative 1 comma negative 1 lies on the curve. Find the equation of the curve. So to find the equation of the curve, we need to integrate it dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to 2 divided by x plus 2 the whole square. Okay, we need to integrate this one. So we get y is equal to integral 2 over x plus 2 the whole square multiplied by dx. Let's rewrite this as 2 integral x plus 2 the whole power negative 2 multiplied by dx. Okay, so 2 multiplied by x plus 2, the power will be negative 1 divided by negative 1 plus c. So y is equal to negative 2 divided by x plus 2 plus c. Okay, it passes through the point negative 1 comma negative 1. Negative 1 comma negative 1 lies on the curve, so it will satisfy this equation. So y is negative 1, x is negative 1 plus 2 plus c. Okay, what is the value of c? Negative 1 equal to negative 2 divided by positive 1. So negative 2 plus c. C is equal to, bring this negative 2 to other side. So 2 minus 1, you will get 1. So c is 1. So the equation of the curve is y is equal to negative 2 divided by x plus 2 plus 1. The next question is, solve the equation 3 tan square theta plus 1 equal to 2 divided by tan square theta. Multiply both the side by tan square theta. So we get 3 tan square theta multiplied by 3 tan square theta plus 1. And here the tan square gets cancelled. So this is equal to 2. 3 tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, let's take tan square theta as t. So we get 3t square plus t minus 2 equal to 0. Let's factorize this one. On multiplying that, we need to get 3 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 6. What is the b value? Is 1. So when you multiply, you need to get negative 6. When you add those two numbers, you need to get as 1. So 2 multiplied by 3 gives 6, and we need to get a positive 1. So I'll put a negative sign here. Let's write this as 3t square plus 3t minus 2t. Okay, so we split the t as like this. Minus 2 equal to 0. Take 3t commonly. T plus 1 minus 2, then t plus 1 equal to 0. So take t plus 1 commonly. So we get 3t minus 2 equal to 0. So t plus 1 equal to 0 or 3t minus 2 equal to 0. So t is equal to negative 1, and here 3t equal to 2 and t is equal to 2 over 3. So let's substitute. T is tan square theta, which is equal to negative 1, and here tan square theta equal to 2 over 3. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to square root of negative 1. It will not give a real solution. No real solution. So we will ignore this. Then here tan theta equal to plus or minus square root of 2 over 3. Okay, so what is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of plus or minus square root of 2 over 3. Theta is equal to tan inverse of plus square root of 2 over 3 and theta equal to tan inverse of minus square root of 2 over 3. So tan inverse of square root of 2 over 3 gives 39.2. Okay. Then here we get theta is equal to negative 39.2. Okay. But it's here given theta is between 0 and 180. So 180 plus this value gives 39.2. So 180 minus 39.2, you will get 140.8. Okay. So theta takes 39.2 degree or 140.8 degree. Next, question number 4. A curve has a equation y is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 4, and a straight line has a equation y is equal to mx plus m minus 1, where m is a constant. For the set of values of m for which the curve and the line have two distinct points of intersection, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. The curve and the line intersect, so we can equate it 3x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to mx plus m minus 1. Now bring all the term into one side. So 3x square minus 4x plus 4 minus mx minus m plus 1 equal to 0. Now combine the like terms. 3x square, let's combine the x terms, minus x of 4 plus m plus 4 plus 1 is 5 minus m equal to 0. Okay. Now we have a quadratic equation and it's given the line and the curve have two distinct point of intersection. So let's find out what is b squared minus 4ac, and it is greater than 0. So 4 plus m the whole square minus 4 times a is 3, and what is c value? 5 minus m, and this is greater than 0. Now expand the bracket. 16 plus 8m plus m square minus 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. Then this is plus 12 multiplied by m greater than 0. Now combine the like terms. M square plus 20m minus 60 plus 16 gives negative 44. This is greater than 0. Okay. Now let's factorize this one. When you multiply the number, you need to get 44, and when you add, you have to get 20. 11 multiplied by 4, it won't give, when you add, you won't get 20. So 22 multiplied by 2. So here negative. So m plus 22 multiplied by m minus 2 is greater than 0. Okay. So m is equal to negative 22. Okay. Negative 22 and 2. This has to be greater than 0. That means m should be here or here. Okay. So here means less than negative 22, and this side is greater than 2. So m is less than negative 22. Rm is greater than 2. The next question is, in the expansion of a plus bx the whole power 7, where a and b are non-zero constants, the coefficients of x, x square and x power 4 are the first, second and third terms respectively of a geometric progression. Find the value of a over b. So a plus bx the whole power 7 is the binomial expansion. Okay. So in that the coefficient x, x square, x power 4. So first let's find out what is the coefficients are. Okay. So that will be equal to the first, second and third terms of the geometric progression. Okay. What's the general term of this binomial expansion? 7CR a power n minus r, 7 minus r, and bx power r. Okay. So to get the coefficient of x, we have to take the r value as 1. So we get 7c1 a power 7 minus 1 is 6 and b power r, that is b power 1. Okay, that is the coefficient of x, and it's given the coefficient of x is the first term of the geometric progression. What is the first term of a geometric progression? It is a. So a is 7c1 a power 6 multiplied by b. Okay, so this will be equal to 7 a power 6 b. Then the next coefficient of x square. To get the coefficient of x square, we have to take the r value as 2. So 7c2 a power 7 minus 2, which is 5, b power 2, which is the second term of a geometric progression. The second term is ar. Okay. So 7c2 is 21, 21 a power 5 multiplied by b square. This is the second term. And next, coefficient of x power 4. To get coefficient of x power 4, take the r value as 4. So 7c4 a power 7 minus 4 is 3 and b power 4. This is third term of a geometric progression, which is ar square. 7c4 is 35, 35 a cube b power 4. Okay, we need to find the value of a divided by b. Okay, so from 1 and 2, let's find out the r value, and from 2 and 3, we will find the r value and we will equate both the r values. Okay, from 1 and 2. So 2 divided by 1. What is that? ar divided by a, which is r. So r is equal to 21 a power 5 b square divided by 7 a power 6 b, which is equal to 3 b divided by a. Okay, let me mark this as 4. Then from equation 2 and 3, equation 3 divided by equation 2, you get ar square divided by ar, which is nothing but r, equal to ar square is 35 a cube b power 4 divided by ar is 21 a power 5 b square, equal to, if you divide denominator and numerator by 7, so we get 5 and 3. So 5, the denominator we have a power 5 and numerator a power 3. So if you cancel this one, so we get here 2. Okay, a square, and here b power 4 divided by b square, that is b power 4 minus 2, which is b square. Okay, this is 5. So both equation 4 and 5 gives the value of the r. So we can equate from 4 and 5. R is equal to 3b by a, which is equal to 5b square by 3a square. Okay, so we need to find a divided by b. Let's take a and b into one side. So we get a square b divided by a b square, and let's keep the number on the right hand side. 5 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Okay, so on simplifying this, a square divided by a is a, divided by b divided by b square is, the denominator we have b, 5 over 9. So a divided by b is 5 divided by 9. The next question is, the function f is defined by f of x equal to 2x divided by 3x minus 1 for x greater than 1 over 3. Find an expression for f inverse of x. Take the given f of x as y. So y is equal to 2x divided by 3x minus 1. Now interchange x and y. So we get x equal to 2y divided by 3y minus 1. Now cross multiply, 3xy minus x equal to 2y. Now bring all the y term into one side. So we get 3xy minus 2y equal to, let's bring this x term to the right hand side, x. Now take y commonly, 3x minus 2 equal to x. So what is y? Y is equal to x divided by 3x minus 2. This is our f inverse of x. X divided by 3x minus 2. The next part of the question is, show that 2 over 3 plus 2 over can be multiplied by 3x minus 2x divided by 3x minus 1. So let's find out the common denominator for this expression, which is 3 multiplied by 3x minus 1. So 2 multiplied by 3x minus 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 6x minus 2 plus 2 divided by 3 times 3x minus 1. This negative 2 and positive 2 gets cancelled. So we have 6x divided by 3 multiplied by 3x minus 1. Now we can cancel this 6 and 3. So we get 2 times. So 2x divided by 3x minus 1. So hence we got this. Next, the C part of the question is, state the range of f. The function f of x is given as 2x divided by 3x minus 1 for x is greater than 1 over 3. When you substitute 1 over 3 in the denominator, we are getting 0. Okay, let's find out how to solve this. So in B part of the question is, we proved 2x divided by 3x minus 1 can be written as 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 so multiplied by 3x minus 1. So f of x equal to 2x divided by 3x minus 1, which can be written as 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 times 3x minus 1. So it's given x is greater than 1 over 3. So when you give any value to x, this term will be there always. Okay? And x takes the value greater than 1 over 3. So if you give any value greater than 1 over 3 here, you will get a positive number in the denominator. So 2 divided by some positive number, it's going to give some positive value. So already we have 2 divided by 3 plus some positive value. So f of x will be always greater than 2 divided by 3. Okay, that is the range. So f of x is greater than 2 over 3. Next, question number 7. The first and second terms of an arithmetic progressions are 1 over cos square theta and minus tan square theta divided by cos square theta respectively, where theta lies between 0 and 1 over 2 pi. Show that the common difference is minus 1 over cos power 4 theta. So first term in a arithmetic progression is a, which is 1 over cos square theta. And second term is a plus d, which is equal to minus tan square theta divided by cos square theta. And we know the difference between the second term and the first term is the common difference d. So a plus d, the second term, minus the first term, which is equal to minus tan square theta divided by cos square theta minus the first term, 1 over cos square theta. You get d. D is equal to minus, let's write tan square theta as sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus 1 divided by cos square theta. Let's take a common denominator in the numerator term. So we get cos square theta. So minus sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. So this is nothing but minus sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by this cos square will become cos power 4 theta. And the numerator take negative 1 as a common term. So we get sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos power 4 theta. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is equal to negative 1 over cos power 4 theta. This is D. So hence we proved. The next part of the question is find the exact value of the 13th term when theta is equal to 1 over 6 pi. So what is the 13th term? A plus n minus 1 multiplied by d is the nth term. So we have to substitute n as 13. So 13th term is a plus 13 minus 1 is 12 multiplied by d. Okay. So what is a? A is 1 over cos square theta plus 12 times d is negative 1 over cos power 4 theta. So theta is given as 1 over 6 multiplied by pi. So 1 over cos square pi over 6 plus 12 times negative 1 over cos power 4 pi over 6. Cos pi over 6 is nothing but square root of 3 over 2. So let's substitute that here. So 1 over square root of 3 over 2 the whole square plus 12 times negative 1 over square root of 3 over 2 the whole power 4. So this is equal to 1 over square root of 3 the whole square is 3 divided by 2 square is 4 plus 12 multiplied by negative 1 square root of 3 the whole square is 3 square root of 3 the whole power 4 is nothing but 3 square which is 9 divided by 2 power 4 2 power 4 is 16. So this can be written as 4 over 3 and this is minus 12 multiplied by 16 divided by 9. Let's divide by 3. So we get 4 times here, here 3. So 4 minus 64 divided by 3 is negative 60 over 3 which is nothing but negative 20. So the 13th term is negative 20. Next, question number 8. The equation of a curve is y is equal to 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 for x greater than negative 1 over 2. Find dy by dx and d square y by dx square. Let's write y as 2x plus 1 plus 1 over 2x plus 1 can be written as 2x plus 1 the whole power negative 1. Let's find out what is dy by dx is. 2x will give 2 plus 1 is 0. So negative 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1 multiplied by the power actually will become negative 2 and coefficient of x is 2. So this is 2 minus 2 divided by 2x plus 1 the whole square. Okay. So what is d square y by dx square? So we will do from this. So differentiation of 2 will be 0. So negative 2 multiplied by the power is negative 2. The base is 2x plus 1. The power will become negative 3 multiplied by the coefficient of x which is 2. So negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by 2 is positive 8 multiplied by 2x plus 1 the whole power negative 3. Or this can be written as 8 divided by 2x plus 1 the whole power 3. The next part of the question is find the coordinates of the stationary point and determine the nature of the stationary point. To find the coordinate of the stationary point, we need to take dy by dx equal to 0. So what is dy by dx? 2 minus 2 divided by 2x plus 1 the whole square equal to 0. This can be written as 2 divided by 2x plus 1 the whole square equal to negative 2. Here it will go, when it go to other side it will change its sign, so it will become negative 2. So negative 2 and negative 2 gets cancelled. So we can write 2x plus 1 the whole square equal to 1. 2x plus 1, take square root on both the side, we get 2x plus 1 equal to plus or minus 1. So what is 2x? When the 1 goes to other side, it will become negative 1. Negative 1 plus or minus 1. So 2x will be negative 2 or 2x will be 0. So x will be negative 1 or x will be 0. So it's given x is greater than negative 1 over 2. Okay, so we got two solutions, x is negative 1 and x is 0. If this is 0 and this is negative 1, negative 1 over 2 will be here. So it's given x is greater than negative 1 over 2. So this is x. Okay, so x cannot take the value negative 1. So this is because x is greater than negative 1 over 2. So x equal to 0. So we need to find the coordinates of the stationary point. When x equal to 0, what is y? Y is equal to 2x plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 plus 1, which gives 2. So 0 comma 2 is the coordinates of the stationary point. Substitute this in dy by dx square. So it is 8 divided by 2x plus 1 the whole cube. Which is 8. So this is greater than 0. So the stationary point is minimum. Next, question number 9. In the diagram, arc AB is a part of a circle with center O and radius 8. Arc BC is part of a circle with center A and radius 12 cm, where AOC is a straight line. Find the angle BAO in radians. So AB is 12 centimeter, then AC is also 12. So if AO is 8, so this OC will be 4. Okay. So we need to find the angle BAO. So angle at A. In triangle ABO, we know 3 sides. So we need to calculate the angle. If we know 3 sides and have to find only the angle, then we will be using the cosine formula. Okay. So cos BAO equal to one side of this triangle is 12 square plus another side is 8 square and the opposite side is 8 square divided by 2 multiplied by the side is 12 and another side is 8. So this is equal to 12 square divided by 2 times 12 times 8. The square and 12 gets cancelled and 12 and 8 can be cancelled by, if it is divided by 4, so we get 2 here. So 3 over 4. Okay, so what is angle BAO is nothing but cos inverse of 3 over 4. So we need angle in gradient. So this is equal to 0.7227. So we'll correct into 3SF. So 0.723. The next part of the question is find the area of the shaded region. The area of the shaded region is nothing but the area of the sector BAC minus the area of the triangle BAO. So what is the area of the sector? The formula is of r square theta of the radius is 12. So 12 square multiplied by theta is 0.7227 minus area of the triangle is of AB sine theta of 8 multiplied by 12 multiplied by sine 0.7227. So this is equal to 20.2866. So correct to 3SF. So we get 20.3. So area of the shaded region is 20.3 centimeter square. The next part of the question is find the perimeter of the shaded region. Perimeter of the shaded region is adding the side OB and the arc length BC and CO. So first let's find out the arc length. The arc length formula is r theta. So r is 12 and theta is 0.7227, which is equal to 8.6724. So what's the perimeter? 8 plus 4 plus the arc length 8.6724, which is equal to 20.6724. So what's the perimeter? 20.7 centimeter. Next, question number 10. A curve has equation y is equal to 1 over k multiplied by x power 1 over 2 plus x power negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over k square, where x is greater than 0 and k is a positive constant. It is given that when x is 1 over 4, the gradient of the curve is 3. Find the value of k. So the gradient of the curve is 3. What is gradient? Dy by dx. Let's find out what the dy by dx is. Dy by dx equal to the constant 1 over k multiplied by 1 over 2. The base is x. Power will become negative 1 over 2. Plus the power is negative 1 over 2 base x, and the power will be reduced by 1. So negative 3 over 2 plus 1 over k square will become 0. when x is 1 over 4. Let's substitute x as 1 over 4. So this is 1 over 2k, 1 over 4, the whole power negative 1 over 2, minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 4, the whole power negative 3 over 2 equal to 3. So 1 over 2k. So 1 over 4 can be written as 2 square. When it goes to the numerator, it will become 2 power minus 2. Whole power negative 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. And here also 4 will go to the numerator as 2 power negative 2. Negative 3 over 2. This is equal to 3. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 1, it will be positive 1. So 2 power positive 1. So 2 divided by 2k minus 1 over 2. And here this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 2 power 3, which is 8. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. And this 2 goes into 8 4 times. So 1 over k minus 4 equal to 3. So 1 over k is equal to 3 plus 4, 7. So 1 is equal to 7k, or k is equal to 1 over 7. Next part of the question is, it is given instead that integral 1 over 4 k square to k square, the expression dx equal to 13 over 12. Find the value of k. Okay, instead of differentiation, here we are going to do integration. Let's integrate this one. 1 over k, x power 1 over 2 will become x power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2, plus x power negative 1 increased by 1 will give positive 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2, plus 1 over k square multiplied by x equal to 13 over 12. And the limit is 1 over 4 k square to k square. First, let's simplify this one, then we'll apply the limit. So 2 over 3k multiplied by x power 3 over 2 plus 2 times x power 1 over 2 plus x divided by k square. Equal to 13 over 12. Apply the upper limit. So 2 over 3k multiplied by k square power 3 over 2 plus 2 k square whole power 1 over 2 plus k square divided by k square minus 2 over 3k. We can write k square divided by 2 square. 1 over 4 k square as k square divided by 2 square. So it will be easy for us to cancel the numbers. Minus 2 times k square divided by 2 square, the whole power 1 over 2, minus k square divided by 2 square divided by k square, equal to 13 divided by 12. So let's first simplify the first expression. This square and this square get cancelled. We get k cube divided by k, which is nothing but 2k square divided by 3, plus this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, so we get 2k, plus k square divided by k square gets cancelled, so plus 1, minus 2 over 3k multiplied by the square term gets cancelled, so k cube divided by 2 cube, which is 8, minus 2 times this square term gets cancelled, so we get k divided by 2, minus k and k gets cancelled, so 1 over 4, equal to 13 over 12. 2k square divided by 3 plus 2k plus 1 minus k cube divided by k is k square divided by 12, minus 2 gets cancelled, so k minus 1 over 4 minus 13 over 12 equal to 0. Now combine the k square term, 2 over 3 minus 1 over 12, and the k terms 2k minus k, so it will be plus k. Then the numbers 1 minus 1 over 4 minus 13 over 12 equal to 0. Let's take LCM as 12. So k square 8 divided by 12 minus 1 over 12 plus k plus 12 minus 3 minus 13 divided by 12 equal to 0. Let's simplify this one. So we get 7 over 12 k square plus k plus 12 minus 16, which is negative 4 over 12. Multiply the equation by 12 on both the sides, which gives 7k square plus k minus 4 equal to 0. So let's factorize this one. Or you can use a quadratic formula also. If you multiply, we have to get negative 28. If you add, we have to get, will become 12k. (14) multiplied by 2 will give 28. So we need to get negative 28. So for 2 we will take negative. So 7k square plus 14k minus 2k minus 4 equal to 0. So take 7k commonly. So k plus 2. And here you take 2, negative 2 commonly. So k plus 2 equal to 0. Take k plus 2 commonly. So 7k minus 2 equal to 0. So k plus 2 equal to 0. Or 7k minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So what is k? K is negative 2. and 7k is 2. So k is 2 over 7. Okay. So what's the final value of k? So it's given k is a positive constant. So the final value of k is 2 over 7 because k is a positive constant. So we have to ignore k is equal to negative 2. The next question is, a circle with center C has a equation x minus 8 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square equal to 100. Show that the point t of negative 6 comma 6. Show that the point t is outside the circle. So let's substitute the value of negative 6 and 6 for x and y. So negative 6 minus negative 8 the whole square plus 6 minus 4 the whole square. So this is equal to negative 14 square, 196 plus 2 square, which is 4, is 200. And this can be written as 100 can be written as 10 square. Okay. So 200 can be written as square root of 200 the whole square. Okay. So square root of 200 is greater than 10. Okay. So the point negative 6 comma 6 lies outside the circle. The next part of the question is, two tangents from T to the circle are drawn. Show that the angle between one of the tangent and CT is exactly 45. Let's consider this as the center C and this is a T. So we have to prove the angle between one of the tangent and the CT is, this angle is 45. Okay. What are the values we know here? This is the circle and the radius of the circle is 10. Okay. And we have calculated CT as square root of 200. And we know this is 90 degree. The angle between a tangent and the radius is 90 degree. So we will calculate the angle of the triangle. We know the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So sine theta is 10 divided by square root of 200. So what is theta? Theta is sine inverse of 10 over square root of 200, which is nothing but 45 degree. The next part of the question is, the two tangents touch the circle at A and B. Find the equation of the line AB, giving your answer in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So let me mark this as A and B. So the angle here is 45. So the angle at here also 45. So total angle at T is 90 degree. Angle at A is 90 and angle at B is also 90. So then angle at C is 90. Okay. So angle at A, B, C, T all are 90. That means it is going to be a rectangle or square. Okay, so because for a rectangle or square only, we will get all the four angles as 90 degree. Okay, so let me mark this as T, C, A and B. Okay, we know CT is square root of 200. The distance between C and T is square root of 200. Okay, and what is AC and BC? So AC, BC are the radius of the circle, which is 10. So this is 10 and this is also 10. So if AC is 10, then BT also 10. And BC is 10, then TA is also 10. Okay, all the four sides are equal, so this is going to be a square. Now TACB is a square, then CT and AB are diagonals. In a square, the diagonals are perpendicular. So the gradient of AB multiplied by gradient of CT is equal to -1. So what is the gradient of CT? We know the points coordinates of C and T. T is -6, 6, and C is the center of the circle, so which is 8, 4. So gradient of CT is y2 minus y1. So 6 minus 4 divided by minus 6 minus 8 multiplied by gradient of AB equal to -1. So this is 2 divided by -14 multiplied by gradient of AB equal to -1. So now we need to find the gradient of AB. So which is -1 multiplied by -14 when goes to other side goes to the numerator and 2 goes to the denominator. So this is equal to -1 multiplied by -14 is 14 divided by 2 is 7. Okay, so the gradient of AB is 7. Now to find the equation of the line AB, we need to find one point which lies on AB. Okay, so this midpoint actually lies on AB. The midpoint of CT is a point which is a midpoint of AB also. So let's find the midpoint of CT. What is x1? 8 plus -6, which is -6 divided by 2, and 4 plus 6 divided by 2. Okay, which is equal to 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 1 comma 5 is the midpoint of CT, which is also the midpoint of AB. So now let's find out the equation of AB. So what is the formula? Y minus Y1. So Y1 is 5 equal to, the gradient is 7 multiplied by x minus 1. So y is equal to 7x minus 7 plus 5. So y is equal to 7x minus 2 is the equation of AB. The next part of the question is find x coordinates of A and B. So AB is a point which lie on the circle, and we know the equation of the line AB also. So we need to find the point of intersection of the circle and the line AB. So x minus 8 the whole square plus, so in the circle equation we have to substitute the equation of the line AB for the y. Equal to 100. Now expand the brackets. X square minus 16x plus 64 plus, this is 7x minus 6. Okay, so 7x the whole square is 49x square minus 2 times 7 times 6, which is 84, x plus 6 square 36 minus 100 equal to 0. So 49x square plus x square is 50x square. Then let's combine the x term. Minus 16x minus 84x, which is 100x minus 100x. 64 plus 36 is 100. 100 minus 100 is 0. So that gets cancelled. So this is equal to 0. Divide the equation by 50. So we get x square minus 2x equal to 0. Let's take x commonly. So x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 or x equal to 2. Okay. So we need to find the x coordinates of A and B. So the x coordinates are 0 and 2. So x coordinate of B is 0 and A is 2. I hope you found this video useful. Check out the link for the other past paper solution videos from the description box.